Welcome on my YouTube channel. Today I am going to solve assignment. The name of the assignment is EXP 2022 Excel chapter 4 cumulative assignment auto sale. Basically it is the fourth chapter of EXP 2022. I am professional. I have completed all this complete course for many of my students and they got 100 out of 100 marks. If you want to do this assignment or complete course for you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Basically this assignment consists of 20 steps. I can do this assignment step by step and you can done this assignment by watching my video. So our title is EXP 2022 Excel chapter 4 cumulative assignment. So we go on our step number 1. Our step number 1 is start Excel, download and open the file name EXP 2022 Excel chapter 4 cumulative assignment. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. So I have already downloaded the Excel worksheet that's required. So we go on our step number 2. Our step number 2 is freeze the first row on the fleet information worksheet. So in this step we freeze the first row on the fleet information worksheet. So we go on our Excel worksheet and on the fleet information sheet in the view tab, here is the freeze panel. So freeze the top row. So I freeze the top row. So we're going to have step number 3. Our step number 3 is convert the data to table, name table inventory and apply the gold table style medium 19. So in this step we convert the data to table and name the new table as inventory and apply gold table style medium 19. So we're going to have Excel worksheet and select and in the insert tab, here is the table, create table of this one and it is also saying that table name as inventory, table name as inventory and apply cell style as apply gold table cell style medium, apply gold table, here is the gold table style medium 19. So I completed step number 3. Step number 4 is remove duplicate record. So in this step we remove the duplicate record. So we go on our Excel worksheet. So here is the remove duplicate. So press here and click OK. So 3 duplicate value found and removed. So step number 4 is completed. I have done 4 steps of this assignment and this assignment consists of 20 steps. So we go on our step number 5. Our step number 5 is sort the table by make in alphabet order. Add a second label to sort by year smallest to largest and add a third label sort by sticker price smallest to largest. So in this step we sort the table. First sort by make, second sort by year and third sort by sticker price. So we go on our Excel worksheet and in the home tab, here is the sort and filter, custom sort. First sort by make alphabetic order and add a second sort by year smallest to largest and add the third sort by sticker price smallest to largest. Click OK. So step number 5 is completed. Our step number 6 is repeat the field name on all pages. So we're gonna in this tab we repeat the field name on all pages. So we go on our Excel worksheet and in the page layout tab, in the print title, so in the row to repeat at the top is We repeat the first row, so click on first row and click OK. So our step number 6 is completed. So in the step number 7, change page break, so each vehicle make is printed on a separate page. So in this tab we apply page break. So we go on our Excel worksheet and here is the page break, the view tab. Here is the page break preview and it is saying that first BMW, first page show BMW, second page show Ford, and second page show GB, third show Ford. Show Ford and fourth will be Honda Civic. So I have done step number 7. So step number 8 is add a footer with your name on left side, the sheet name code in the center and the file name code on the right side. So in this tab we add footer. So we gonna step Excel worksheet and in the page layout, here is the page header and footer, custom footer with name ABC, left side name, the sheet name code in the center. So sheet name code this one, sheet name code this one, and right section sheet name. So click OK. So our step number 8 is completed. So we go on our step number 9. Our step number 9 is click or navigate to the sales information worksheet and convert the data to table. Name the table sales and apply green table style dark lemon. So in this tab we go on our Excel worksheet and in the sales information worksheet convert the data to table, name table as sales and apply green table style dark lemon. So we go on our Excel worksheet, click the sales information, click here in the insert tab, create table of this one and table name as sales, table name as sales and apply green table style dark lemon. Green table style dark lemon. So step number 9 is completed. So in this step number 10 it is saying that type % of sticker in cell E1. So copy this one and paste into cell E1. E1 is this one. So our step number 10 is completed. I have done 10 steps of this assignment and then this assignment consists of 20 steps. If you want to do this assignment or complete code for you, you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email given on the screen and also given in the description of this video.